This is a Henry vacuum cleaner. I will call it a Henry Hoover at some point, I'm sure. This one is a bit poorly. You can see in his eyes that he's not well. This is a 49cc 2-stroke minimoto engine. That way up, sunk down into the top of this, driving the vacuum pump. What could possibly go wrong? Those stupid torque screws. Pop his little cap off. The cable reel. Can't be needing that. What a stupid idea. What happens now? Electroma bobs. I've got to figure out how to split this motor from this pump and then figure out how to attach it to that. The carburetor is not going to work like that, so I'm going to have to turn the carb around. That filter should pop out the back quite nicely. This is just bloody ridiculous. Yeah, we do need that. It's going to be poking out the top quite a bit. That's unfortunate. I do feel guilty doing this. You join me back here 2-3 weeks later, and I can happily say I've done it. I haven't actually started it yet, so I don't know. But the engine's in. It's adapted to the pump on the bottom. I made the exhaust. Drilled the hole for the filter to pop out. Turned the carb around 90 degrees as well. Made a little manifold to space that out a bit more. I've wrapped the exhaust. I've made the frame to sit it back in the original housing. And I think that it's going to work. We can hoover up all this junk. Biggest thing I had to make was that, which is the top of the pump. The motor sits on there. That sort of cyclones the air up through the centre of the motor to keep it cool. Well, we don't need that. So I made an aluminium one that blows all the air up around the outside. We should do anyway. We'll see. Right. We've got fuel. It's in. Choke's on. And it doesn't run. That sucks. Let's wind that up a little bit. Yeah, that's noisy. Oh, that's ridiculous. I suppose what we really want to know is, will it vacuum all this up? Let's have a go.